Food and drink vocabulary: dairy, milk, cream cheese, cream, yogurt, sour cream, cottage cheese, ice cream, cheese, butter, types of bread: whole grain bread, white bread, wheat bread, bagel, baguettes, croissant, pretzel, drinks, smoothie, soda, cold drinks, orange juice, water, lemonade, iced coffee, hot chocolate, milkshake, milk, coffee, tea, snacks and desserts, dried fruits, popcorns, candy in US, sweets in UK, lollipop, nuts, chips, chocolate, pancakes, donuts, waffle, brownie, cracker, biscuits in the UK, cookies in the US, pie, Swiss roll in the UK, jelly roll in the US, cupcake, muffin, cake, breakfast, honey, jam, peanut butter, cereal, toast with butter, scrambled eggs, omelette, fried egg, boiled egg, toast, lunch and dinner, fried rice, tossed salad, fried chicken, roasted chicken, fish, steak, boiled rice, fries in the US, chips in the UK, avocado sandwich, dumplings, quesadilla, roasted mutton, mashed potatoes, noodles, spaghetti, soup, pasta, lasagna, sausages, sandwich, burrito, hot dog, taco, pizza. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.